but who is going to come through?
大家尽快安静下来。
Karen Wilson, it's a 5-4 to Zhang.
Five.
Yeah, you don't win as many titles as Ronnie O'Sullivan. That means he probably will. Yeah, and the thing is, best of 11s are quite... In terms of sort of frames you see in a session, you're pretty much guaranteed to see more in a best of... Trying to respond. Well, I've not been running the clock on this Fergal, but this frame... A quick kill in frame 8.
Yeah.
Ronnie O'Sullivan, 69.
Not taking any liberties. He won't be happy with that safety, but...
The black here.
One.
Could be over.
Oh, that is so good.
As he wants him.
It'd be very interesting, assuming he wins the match, comes in round 1 for 6 years. Now, he's won plenty of other tournaments,
19.
Massive ones since. Trying to maintain that concentration across a week is a different challenge. One thing's for sure, though, as long as he's here, there's going to be a massive crowd.
Of course, he goes on to complete victory at his absolute peak.
33.
Certainly a bit fresher and sharper. Hasn't been as clinical as we'd expect. We do feel it be. The fact today that he hasn't been, where Mink has played a part in that.
46.
Unless something goes wrong here, she's not going to get a chance in the last 2 frames.
52. 60.
Just had that mid part of the match where...
66.
But when he had to get it back, it's all clicked.
His concentration got better.
70.
He's going to need to win the tournament.
Well, he did make a century.
82.
Grandstand sort of finishes to matches.
90.
Of course, he's correct. But there's a hell of a lot of people. And he's knocked it in. He made a real dash for the line, didn't he?
$110.
Alan as well, in their 30s, We've got some young talents. But these legends are refusing to budge, aren't they? And on their day, as we're seeing here, they can still produce consistently this week if he's to win. But he's still here in round 2. A pretty dazzling finish, hasn't it, from 4-3. He's made a 1-3-2 total clearance in the last frame.